Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to brainstorm branding ideas with AI tools. So I will be on my chat GPT, and before searching you will just select this more button, and from here you will just select this brainstorm. And if I just give them command to, like, I want to increase my brand products through social media platforms. So if I just tap for search and let's see the answer. So here are some creative ideas to boost your brand's presence and product sales on social media. So here is number one is content strategy. You will just learn from it and you will just apply for your content strategy right over here. And number second is engagement statics. You will just also follow the engagement statics to story to engaging followers. And third is ad strategies. So this is how you can increase your brand using AI chat GPT brainstorms. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.